Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue chapter 9, nouns, common, proper and collective. I have explained you common nouns and proper nouns. These are few examples which you have already read. Right? So today we'll move on with the exercises. So open page 33 of your English grammar book. And you'll have to do these exercises in the book itself. Okay? Complete the puzzle of proper nouns with the help of clues. Now it's like a game. Clues are given and it's a puzzle. You have to complete. You have to write the letters in the boxes to make meaningful words. And these words are proper nouns and clues are given. So accordingly you have to fill. So number 1. What is the clue? The capital of Andhra Pradesh. So the capital of Andhra Pradesh, it starts with H. It's Hyderabad. Okay. I have written the answers for you. It's Hyderabad. Right. Number 2. It is also called Bollywood. So which city is famous for, as in Bollywood? Film city. It is Mumbai. Number 2, Mumbai. Number 3, the shortest month of the year. So the shortest month of the year is, everybody knows, it's February. Okay. Number 4, it is our national festival. It starts with R. So the national festival which starts with R is Republic Day. Number 5. It is an ocean. It starts with A. And the third letter is L. So it's Atlantic Ocean. Which ocean it is? It is Atlantic Ocean. Number 6. Name of a book starts with A. Oh, it is very clear. Very interesting book. Alice in Wonderland. Number 7, we do calculations in this subject. Okay, it's a subject in which you do calculations. You all do it. It's mathematics. You say it maths, but maths is wrong. You should say it mathematics. Okay? Spelling is here. Mathematics. Number 8, name of a country. So it starts with E, ends with D, and the third letter is G. It's England. Okay. Number 9, name of a planet starts with V. It's very clear. It's Venus. Number 10, famous hockey player starts with D. Famous hockey player, Dhyan Chand. Number 11, a festival of Christians starts with E. It's Easter. Number 12, name of a bank starts with A and with S. Axis Bank. Number 13, name of a newspaper starts with I and the second word starts with E. So Indian Express. Indian Express. Number 14, the language spoken in Kerala. It's Malayalam and the spelling is M-A-L-A. Malayalam. Y-A-L-A-M. Okay. I hope this exercise is clear. Now let's move on to the next question, next exercise, that is start the proper nouns with capital letters. So all the proper nouns in these sentences you have to start with capital letter and rewrite these sentences. So rewrite means you have to write these sentences again and start the sentence with capital letter because these are sentences. So आपको पता है कि all the sentences or whenever you write a sentence you have to start it with a capital letter. So they have given you the instructions that you have to write all the proper noun in capital and the first letter of the sentence in capital. Okay. So the first one is my favorite teacher is Mrs. Meenakshi Tyagi. So first M will be in capital. See, my M will be capital. Mrs. Meenakshi Tyagi. Here it is in small. So Mrs. Meenakshi Tyagi is the proper noun. So you'll write Mrs. M capital, Meenakshi M capital, Tyagi T capital. Okay. Second, Harish, Aman and Tanya. So all these three are names. So Harish H capital, Aman A capital, Tanya T capital. Are participating in drawing competition at Delhi Public School Noida. So Delhi Public School Noida, ये पूरा proper noun है बेटा. So you will write Delhi D capital, Public P capital, School S capital, Noida N capital. Okay. So likewise you have to do all the sentences. See, Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter of India. Subhash Chandra Bose is a proper noun. So ये तीनों के first letter capital होंगे. India, तीनों words के name एक ही है. Subhash Chandra Bose was one. It's one name, right? And he was a great freedom fighter. और कहाँ का freedom fighter थे? India के. India. It is the name of the country. So I will be in capital. See. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter of India. Number 4. Raksha Bandhan is the festival of the Hindus. Raksha Bandhan festival का नाम है. It is the name of the festival. इसलिए ये proper noun है. और रक्षा और बंधन RB capital होगा. Okay. Hindus of the Hindus. Religion है ये. Name of the religion है Hindus. तो ये भी proper noun हुआ. तो Hindus का H capital. We get summer vacation in June. Now W is not a proper noun, but it is the first letter of the sentence. So V का W भी capital होगा. And June is proper noun in this sentence. So June का J capital. Right, C. Okay. Number 6. Kerala is famous for boat race. Kerala is a proper noun. So K will be in capital. Number 7. टाटा, मारुति, फोर्ड एंड होंडा, ये सब कार के ब्रांड्स हैं. तो इन सब का फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल होगा. टाटा का टी कैपिटल, मारुति का एम कैपिटल, फोर्ड का एफ कैपिटल, होंडा का एच कैपिटल. आर पॉपुलर कार ब्रांड. सी. Number 8. Do you know that the Bay of Bengal, the Indian Ocean and the Arabian Sea meet at Kanyakumari? So do का D capital because it is the first letter of the sentence. Bay of Bengal proper noun है, इसलिए Bay का B capital, Bengal का B capital, of का O small ही रहेगा. आपको कल मैंने बताया था proper noun में बीच में a, the, of ये सब आता है तो वो small में ही रहता है अगर बीच में आता है. So Bay of Bengal, B will be capital. Bay का B capital होगा, Bengal का B capital होगा. The Indian Ocean, Indian I capital, Ocean O capital, and the Arabian Sea, Arabian A capital, C S capital, meet at Kanyakumari. So Kanyakumari, K will be in capital. See. Now the next. Assam is famous for tea. So Assam is famous for tea. See, Assam, A capital. Number 10. Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma is a famous santoor player from Kashmir. So Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, ये पूरा उनका नाम है. तो इन चारों वर्ड्स के फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल होगा. And Kashmir is the name of a place. So Kashmir, K will be in capital. Okay. Black Beauty is a popular book. So Black Beauty book का नाम है, इसलिए Black Beauty का दोनों का B कैपिटल होगा. Black B कैपिटल, Beauty B कैपिटल. Black Beauty is a popular book. Number 12. Manu will see the Statue of Liberty in New York. Manu is the name of a person. Proper noun. M capital होगा Manu का. Will see the Statue of Liberty. ये भी proper noun है. सो स्टैचू एस कैपिटल, ऑफ को एज इट इज़ रहने दीजिए, लिबर्टी का एल कैपिटल करेंगे. इन प्लेस का नाम न्यूयॉर्क, सो न्यूयॉर्क एन कैपिटल, यॉर्क वाई कैपिटल. सी. So now children, you have to do both the exercises in your book. I hope proper noun and common noun is very clear to you. Okay. Now thank you class.